Good morning. It's a new day. It is 1:21 a.m. because I'm not connected to Wi-Fi, but in reality it's actually 7:21. I'm getting my stuff ready. I'm backing up files to the hard drive, and then I'm gonna have some breakfast. And we're gonna head out on the bus. We're gonna go down to Vic, and see waterfalls and all that cool stuff. So I got to get all my stuff organized, and yeah, let's get this going. So yeah, see you. Let's go get some breakfast. But first, I gotta take this, put it out there, because they need to pick it up. Let's go. Okay, as you saw that little bit of B-roll, a little bit. European breakfast, actually not bad. They had bacon and stuff, it's pretty good. Meats and cheeses for breakfast, everybody knows that's my jam. I love meats and cheeses, so I was all about that. It was really nice. Why am I doing this? Yeah, they picked up my luggage. We were gonna get on the bus in about an hour, so I'm going to relax a little bit, and then we're gonna go. Okay, it's time to get out of here. Policing my area, making sure I have everything that I need. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's it. Let's go. Why are you so heavy?
Let's try again to be a little bit more happier. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
That's what I want to hear when you're on vacation in Iceland, right?
Okay, so we're back in the room. The new room. A little dated, a little old, probably super haunted. I mean, look at it. Seems haunted, right? Got a big layout that won't fit my suitcase. That's awesome. Look at the key. Look at this giant key. I already took the key off because this isn't going to fit in my pocket. Where's this going to go? Nice big bed. Look at that. If you guys look outside, you can see nothing. Yeah, not so bad. So, yeah. Let's check out El Baño. This is like the best lit room by far. Selfie lighting for sure. Yeah, not so bad there. How does this work? I'm confused. Oh. Nice. Okay. That makes sense. Cool. I might sleep in here. I'm going to sleep in here because it's not as haunted. Yeah. Okay, so here's what's going to go on. It's kind of late. Not that late. It's not. It's 6:30. I'm super tired, but dinner first. So I got some time to charge batteries and all that stuff. And then I'm going to call it a night, I think. It's raining. It's cloudy. There's going to be no northern lights tonight, which is a super bummer, but whatever. That's fine. Tomorrow is going to be a shorter day, apparently. I'm kind of actually excited for that, but we're going to see tomorrow, I think, some of the cooler stuff. Hopefully get some better images. Today was kind of a bummer because everything was gray and there's cloud cover and all that stuff, but whatever. It is what it is. This is how it's going to go. Weather never cooperates with me anyway. So yeah, I'm going to drink some beers, have some dinner, and we'll check in later. This table thing, by the way, super appreciated because I can just lay my stuff out. It's really nice. I can just lay it out, and I appreciate that. It makes it easy to find. This guy. Yes. Okay, before I call it quits for the night, dinner was good. I'm going to end on that. It was very good. I think I ate an entire lamb worth of meat. It was quite tasty. It was lamb meat. Very good. Apparently, okay, so the conversion rate here and prices of things is kind of weird. So a beer was about $10 US. A single of Woodford Reserve bourbon on the rocks, $7. By far the cheapest beverage I've found here so far is really good bourbon. Must not be popular, I don't know, but I'm not complaining and I'm gonna drink a lot of it on the cheap. Yeah, so I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna pass out, maybe work on some photos, and then it'll be time to do stuff tomorrow. Yeah, sweet.